Imagine making an extra $1,000 per day just by using your phone. Sound like a dream? It's not. It's real, and it's called the laziest side hustle. This potential earning powerhouse doesn't care about your background or skills. All it asks for is a smartphone and a pinch of your daily time. It's about making your phone work for you, not the other way around. So, if you're ready to transform your phone into a money-making machine, keep watching. Now, you're probably wondering how this works. Well, it's simple, and we're going to break it down into easy-to-follow steps. First things first, your phone is more than just a gadget for communication and entertainment. It's a tool, a gateway to opportunities, and today, we're going to show you how to tap into that potential. Step 1, download the right apps. There are myriad apps out there that can help you generate a steady income. From market research apps that pay for your opinion, to delivery service apps that let you earn while you move, the possibilities are endless. Step 2, sign up for the services that suit you. This could be anything from freelance work platforms to online tutoring platforms. Remember, the key here is to choose something that aligns with your skills and interests. Step 3, engage in the chosen activities regularly. Consistency is key. Whether it's taking surveys, delivering parcels, or tutoring online, make sure you dedicate a specific amount of time each day to your side hustle. Finally, don't forget to track your progress. Keep a record of your earnings and work on strategies to increase your income. Use your phone's built-in tools like calendar apps and reminder notifications to stay organized and motivated. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to make money from your phone. But how does it fare in the long run? Let's find out. Before we move on to the benefits, I just wanted to take a moment to remind you, if you're finding this video helpful and want to stay updated with more tips and tricks on how to turn your phone into a money-making machine, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way, you'll never miss a new video and you'll always be on top of the latest trends and strategies to boost your income. Now, let's continue our journey and see what benefits this lazy side hustle has to offer. So we've seen how easy it is to start this side hustle. But what about the benefits? Well, the benefits are just as impressive. This side hustle is a goldmine for potential high earnings. It's like having a magic lamp, but instead of a genie, you've got your phone, granting wishes of financial freedom. What's more, it offers an unmatched level of flexibility. You can earn from anywhere, at any time. Whether you're a busy bee during the day or a night owl, this side hustle adjusts to your schedule, not the other way around. And the best part? The minimal effort required. It's as simple as swiping right, but instead of a date, you're getting a paycheck. This can be a great source of secondary income for entrepreneurs, students, or anyone looking to make some extra cash. So, are you ready to start your laziest side hustle journey? Remember, all you need is your phone, a bit of time each day, and the desire to increase your income. It's time to unlock the potential of your smartphone and start earning today.